You ever walk out to your car and see that dull, cloudy mess on your paint or headlights? That's car oxidation. It's like your car is aging prematurely right in front of you. Painful, but fixable. Oxidation happens when your car's paint or surface materials are exposed to oxygen and the sun for too long. It's essentially rust for your paint job, but instead of turning orange, it fades, cracks, and flakes away. Here's the thing, ignoring oxidation only makes it worse. What starts as a slightly dull patch can lead to deeper damage, costing you upwards of $500 for a full repaint later. Prevention is way cheaper. First, you'll want to wash your car thoroughly. Use a pH-balanced car wash soap, not dish soap. Yes, I know what you're thinking, but dish soap is cheap. Sure, but it strips wax and damages your paint. Trust me, don't do it. Next, grab a clay bar kit. These cost around $20–30. Clay bars remove embedded contaminants that regular soap can't touch. Work in small sections and use the accompanying lubricant. Pro tip, if the clay bar sticks, you're not using enough lube. After claying, dry the car with a microfiber towel and inspect the oxidized areas. If the damage is light, a polishing compound can do wonders. Apply it with a dual-action polisher to save time and get better results. These machines are $50–150. For heavy oxidation, you'll need rubbing compound first. Rubbing compound is more abrasive, so follow with polish to restore shine. Pro tip, tape off edges and seams to avoid accidentally removing too much material in one spot. Once the surface looks good, seal your hard work with a quality wax or paint sealant. Think of sealant as sunscreen for your car. A good product can give you 6 to 12 months of protection from the elements. If your headlights are oxidized, don't skip them. Fogged up headlights reduce night visibility by 80%. Use a headlight restoration kit. Those run about $15 to $25. Sand, polish, and seal with patience. Your future nighttime self will thank you. A small commitment to waxing your car every 3 to 4 months and parking in the shade when possible will keep oxidation away. Trust me, it's easier than tackling the problem after it's already there. Also, keep an eye on your car's clear coat. Once that layer fails, oxidation becomes inevitable. If your clear coat is peeling, it's best to consult a professional before trying to fix it yourself. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good car cover if you park outside. A $50 to $150 investment can save your car's paint for years, especially if you live in areas with harsh weather like Portland winters. Oxidation doesn't have to mean defeat for your car's appearance. With the right tools, a little time, and a budget under $100, you can seriously rewind the clock on your vehicle's finish. I've done it myself, and the results are worth it.